Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case this is your first time of visiting this channel, my name is Lucky Asemota. So guys, I will be giving out a Christmas gift for you guys. It's a 3D premium text effect. You are going to love it, so that you can use it for your design project. Okay, I'm not going to make this video long. All right, so let me show you guys what I will be giving out to you for free. This is free. So at the end of this video, click the link in the description of this video. It will take you to my Telegram channel. Okay, please make sure you share this video, like and comment. All right, so this is what I'll be giving out for free. Is a 3D text premium effect. Okay, you can use it for your design project. Okay, this is one of it. All right, all you have to do is to click the link in the description of this video and it will take you to my Telegram channel. All right, please make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can get the password of the file. All right, okay, now let me show you the file. You are going to be getting all this for free. Okay, there are more than this, so for the sake of this video I just brought out some of the images. Okay, there are a lot of them. There are more than this. Okay, so just download, click the link in the description on this video so that you can download it. All right, please, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, and please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. You will get a notification. All right, because in this channel I will be giving out a free premium file that you can use for your design project. Okay, I'm also doing a tutorial on how you can design a flyer, that birthday flyer or event flyer. All right, please make sure you share this video. All right, so these are a few of the 3D text effects that I will be giving you guys for free. This is free of charge. Okay, you are not going to pay for it. So the best you can do is to subscribe to this channel and share this video to your friends. Okay, share to as many people you want that this video will be of help to. All right, so let me show you, in case you don't know how to edit the text effect. All you have to do is to open the file. Okay, so open the file, just to double click the file. It will open up on your Photoshop software. All right, so the next thing you have to do is to come to this place where it is written your text and double click it. Okay, it will open up a new layer. Double click it. In case if you are going to use the same font that is used in this project, all you have to do is to download this font. as you can see, I don't have this font on my PC. So the next thing I will do now is to download this font. Okay, it is called Vittore. Okay, just go to your web browser and search for the font. Okay, search for the font. Okay, you'll see this that font here. Make sure you search the proper name of the font so that you can be able to get the exact font. Click this one here. All right, let's wait for it to load. Okay, here's the font. This one here. Click download. Click download and click save. Double click it, and you just have to double click it so that it will open. When it's open, you double click the font and click install. This is how to install font in your PC. Okay, I'm doing this for the sake of this video. All right, in case maybe you encounter any font that is not already installed in your PC, you can know how to download the font. So let's go back to our Photoshop. Now, as you can see, I'm going to click cancel. Now double click it again. It will show, this shows that it's already installed in my PC. Okay, you just have to rename it to whatsoever you want to do with it. Okay, just rename it. All right, after you rename it, as you can see, it has not reflect here. After you rename it, click save. Go to file and click save, or press Ctrl S on your keyboard to save and go back. As you can see, it has been updated. Okay, so this is how you can edit your PSD effects. Okay, PSD text effects. So let's move to the other one. All right, you can do the same. Double click it. As you can see, I don't have this font on my PC. As I showed you guys earlier, that all you have to do is to search for the name of the font on Google so that you can download it. All right, so as I said earlier, I'm not going to make this video to be too long. Okay, I've already shown you guys how you can edit the text effect. So if there's anything you don't understand, please, all you have to do is to drop a comment on this video. All right, so I will try my possible best to make sure I respond to you. All right, please make sure you watch the video to the end so that you can get the password to the file. Okay, all right, so we have come to the end of this video. Okay, please, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. All right, please, for you guys that have been supporting this channel, God bless you all. Please watch out for my next video. All right, so bye for now.